Hello and welcome to the Broken Sound Real Estate Report. My name is Claude Champagne and today is Saturday, May the 17th. There is currently 71 homes for sale in Broken Sound. If you'd like to see any of these homes, you can scroll down to brokensoundcc.com where you can see all the homes, all the videos, photos, and information that you need. Once you find a house that you like, please call us at Champagne and Parisi Real Estate at 561-703-4727. There's currently 21 homes under contract in Broken Sound, and so far this year, 28 homes sold and closed. This past week, there was one home that sold and closed, and it is located at 2530 Cocoa Plum Boulevard, that is in Bridgepoint, an Amherst model with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,000 square feet under air. It was listed at $260,000 and it sold for $250,000. My friends, it is still time to list your home and sell your home. A lot of buyers are coming down to be ready for next season. So if you're thinking of selling, please call us at Champagne and Parisi Real Estate at 561-703-4727. Thank you for watching the Broken Sound Real Estate Report. Please stay healthy and I will see you next week.